Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make orange gummy candy. First, gather all your ingredients and prepare your molds for pouring. Next, we'll combine and gently heat the mixture on the stovetop, ensuring everything dissolves perfectly. Finally, we'll pour the liquid into the molds and allow them to set in the refrigerator. This easy method ensures perfect, chewy treats every time, ready for you to enjoy. To begin, you'll need just a few simple items for your delicious gummies. Start with 1/4 cup of cold water and 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder. You'll also need 1/2 cup of your favorite orange juice and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. These basic ingredients are the foundation for your delightful homemade gummies, so make sure you have them all ready. Now, let's cook our mixture to create that perfect gummy texture. In a small saucepan, gently heat the orange juice and sugar over low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves. Then, slowly whisk in the bloomed gelatin mixture until it's fully incorporated. Continue cooking for a few minutes until everything is fully combined and smooth, but remember, do not bring it to a boil. Once your warm mixture is ready, carefully pour it into your prepared silicone molds, filling each cavity evenly. Transfer the molds to the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours, or until the gummies are completely firm to the touch. Once set, gently pop them out of the molds. Store your delightful homemade candies in an airtight container at room temperature for freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.